Hello and welcome to Sikha Crafts. Today's tutorial is a terracotta mold clay craft on bottle. But before I begin, there is a short request. Please subscribe to the channel Sikha Crafts. So here is the empty wine bottle on which tissue paper will be attached. All you need to make a paste of white glue and water. Place the tissue paper on the bottle and apply the paste. For the upper portion, you will need a thin strip of tissue paper and you place the thin strip in this way and apply glue mixture. Remove the extra portion and apply glue on the tissue paper. Stick it to the bottle and do the same thing on the other side of the bottle. Do this for the other side. I am trying to make a V portion and now keep it for drying. This is a terracotta mold used for making sweet. You can find similar molds with wood or even plastic. These molds are used to give imprint on sweets or sandesh in Bengal. Here I have taken the terracotta mold. All we need is talcum powder, mold and clay. Sprinkle some talcum powder on the mold, dust the mold and throw away the extra powder. Now put some clay into the mold. Press properly to fill the edges. All you need to do is remove the extra clay with the help of a flat piece. Too much clay is not needed. We don't need a thick piece. Now for taking out the clay, use a sharp object like I am using this pen knife. Gently take out the clay. It will come out very easily. Take out the clay and here it is. If you need some perfections, do it. So here is the clay. I am showing the process again. Take a small portion of clay. Press it properly to fill in the mold. Remove the extra clay. We need a thin portion, thin piece of clay. Too much clay is not needed. And then take the clay out with the help of a sharp object. You can use a knife. It will come out easily. And here it is. So this is a beautiful piece of clay done from the terracotta clay mold. Now we will apply this clay on the bottle. Look how neat it is looking. I am showing a small tip for you. What to do to your clay if it starts drying up in the middle of your project. Take a spray bottle filled with water, spray some water on the clay, press it 2 to 3 times and now here it becomes perfect again. Make strings with clay to decorate the mouth portion of the bottle. Fix the strings with Fevicol or wood glue. Wrap the threads and press firmly to flatten it. Cut the extra part. Then taking a toothpick, make imprints on the clay. Do this on the whole portion. Well, it's time to attach the clay pieces on the bottle. Apply generous amount of glue and press the pieces properly. I am giving a V shape on the top. So I am attaching the designs in a V shape and then a single piece in the middle and the rest of the clay pieces in the lower portion to give flair of the dress. Imagining the bottle to be a girl, the clay pieces are to be fixed like a gown worn by the girl. Keep attaching the clay pieces to make the gown. Make the shoulders with the pieces, and here it is. Now for the front portion, make some clay balls, small clay balls, and attach it. Press the balls to flatten them and apply glue. Fill the whole portion. Apply some glue so that it will help to prevent from cracking. Now taking a toothpick, mark some incisions on the clay. Here you can make your own design, and here how it looks. Again, apply glue on the whole design to prevent it from cracking, and then you have to leave it for drying. When it will be fully dried, we will start coloring. It is fully dry now, and I am applying light green acrylic color to color the bottle. You can add some water to apply the color on the whole bottle. Actually, I am using a color same as that of the bottle. When it is dry, remove the extra color to make it look neat. And for this, wet a tissue paper with some water and clean the extra color. See, the bottle is looking neat and clean. It's time for highlighting. And for highlighting, I am using aquamarine acrylic color. It's in the form of a tube, but you will get this color in the bottle also. The bottle color is much thin, and you can use that color also, but as I have got this paste color, I am using this. Look how bright it is looking. But we can make it look much brighter by applying golden liquid acrylic color on it. When the aquamarine color is fully dried, we will put golden acrylic paste on it. Just dab it with a sponge. Do not press too hard. This is giving glow to the design. When fully dry, give a coat of acrylic varnish. I am using acrylic gloss varnish over here. This is the acrylic gloss varnish, which is in the form of a spray can, and I have applied this on the bottle. It will protect the color and give gloss to the design. So here it is the ultimate product, and I hope you like it.